Assalamu alaikum. To complete our lesson 93, how to solve story problems involving subtraction. Let's remember together the keywords of subtraction. Yes, subtract. Left. How many more? How many less? Remain. Take away. Difference, which means minus or subtraction. Open your book, page 68, and start listening to our story problem. The first story problem says Samir made 48 cookies. He gave 22 to his sister Dalia. How many cookies left with him? What is the first thing we are going to do here? We were going to circle the large number, which is 48, and make a square on the smallest number, which is, yes, 22, and make a circle on the word left, and square on the smallest number, which is 22. How can I solve this problem? I will solve it by counting back strategy. 48 minus 22. I will start at number, yes, 48. I will jump up how many times? 2 times. 1 and 2. And I will go back how many times? 1 and 2. The answer is excellent, 26. Let's listen to our second story problem. In the class, there are 35 girls and 13 boys. How many more girls are there than the boys? What is the first thing we are going to do? Excellent! We will circle the large number, which is 35, and make a square on the smallest number, which is the 13. And which word we are going to make a circle on? Excellent! More! Okay, how to solve this problem? By counting on a strategy. I can solve it with any way, but I choose counting on. 35 minus 13 equals what? I will start at number 13 and count on until I reach 35. Okay, I'm on number 13. I will move back. I will move down how many times? 10, 20. And I will go how many times? I will go on 1 and 2. The answer is, yes, 22. Let's listen to our third story problem. Jana collected stamps. She had 180 stamps. She gave 20 to her brother. How many does she have left? Do you know what is the first thing we are going to do here? Okay, we will circle the large number, which is 180, and we make a square on the smallest number, which is 20, and I will circle the word left. Excellent. Square on number 20, which is the smallest number, and a circle on our large number, which is 180, and I will make a circle on the word left. How can I solve this problem? I choose by drawing way. Okay, 180 minus 20. I have 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. I want to take away from the 180 how many? Yes, 20. 10 and 20. The answer is excellent, 160. Let's listen to our fourth story problem. Maha and Safa had 28 gifts to wrap. They have wrapped 4 only. How many more do they need to wrap? Okay, what is the first thing we are going to do? Is to circle our large number, which is 28. Excellent. And I will make a square on our small number, which is, yes, 4. And I will make a circle on the word, excellent, more. Okay. How can I solve this problem? I will solve it by decompose way. 28 minus 4. 28 is decomposed into 20 plus 8. 20 and 8. 20 plus 8. And the 4? 0 and 4. Okay, let's start with the ones. 8 minus 4, yes, equals 4. Then the tens. 20 minus 0, yes, it's 20. So I have 20 and 4. 20 plus 4 equals, excellent, 24. Let's listen to our fifth story problem in page 69. There are 65 people on the bus. At the first stop, 21 people got off. How many people were left on the bus? What is the first thing we are going to do now? Is to circle our large number, which is excellent, 65. And I will make a square on our small number, which is 21. And I will make a circle on the word left. How can I solve this problem? I choose by drawing. Okay, 65 minus 21. Let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 ones. Okay, 65. I want to take away how many? 21. 10, 20, and 1. The answer is excellent. It's 44. Let's listen to our sixth story problem. Jasmine has 25 candles. Walid has 14 candles. How many more candles does Jasmine have? What is the first thing we are going to do? Yes, we will circle our large number, which is excellent, 25. And I will make a square on our small number, which is 14. And I will circle our keyword, which is more. How can I solve this problem? Jasmine has how many? 10, 20, and 5. 25. Okay, and Lead has how many? 10 and 4, which is 14. Excellent. I want to know how many Jasmine has more sweets or candies than Walid. Okay, I can say it in many ways. I can say 14 plus what give me 25? Or I can say 25 minus what give me 14. Yes, it's 11. 14 plus 11 equals 25. 25 minus 11 equals 14.